Sapporo residents were
Car
busy
stuck.
shoveling
Oh my
snow a
gosh.
day
Have the car
after they
stuck.
had more than 100 centimeters of snowfall
Wow.
for the first time in 21 years in the month of January.
Hello everyone, today we're gonna be going to Leisure Guide Asobia. It's gonna be like probably 3 hours, around 3 hours to go there, but since it's heavy snow today, it's gonna take like probably 4 hours or more. I don't know. Hey Smai, it's currently 5:30. We're gonna go meet my friend, and we're gonna be start going from Sapporo around 7:40, and see you.
Now Ken gonna go to take the car first.
Let's go for adventure. Come here. Look at this. Look at this snow. Oh, oh. Oh no. I have to go traverse this one. Traverse.
Wow, traverse.
It's been snowing really strong last night. It's still snowing this time. Currently, there's no one around since it's Sunday, so that's good. It is so cold. It's so cold now. I've been needing to fix the car to remove the snow. I hate snow time. I'm near the car already. Ooh, cold. Which one is the car? I forgot. This is the car. I think it's that one. Yeah, it is that one. It's the Honda number 4. Yeah. I need to. Oh, I need to clean it. Good thing it's just easy. Should be a brush. Yeah, I gotta go clean the car fast.
To let everyone know what is Hokkaido is. What the Hokkaido snow, especially in Sapporo. You can dip inside the snow. Okay, and yeah, welcome everyone to to Hokkaido. This is outfit update because we gonna go adventure outside under this weather. Weather is suck every time we go adventure. Yeah, today is really good, but I hope gonna be better. It's not like this. It's not like windy, snow, like a storm. This is still not strong, ne? Still not strong, yes. The most strong is last day. I went out and it's a lot of snow, and you can see the way, the road. That time I took a picture, and it just see the snow. Can't see your body, can't see anything. It's like the snow is cover on everything, and have the wind, have snow only. But the interesting thing, if you come to Hokkaido or Sapporo in the winter time, you wanna enjoy the winter time in here. If not have snow, it's so boring. They want to see the snow in Hokkaido, but if you not see this weather, you still not come to Hokkaido yet. You just see the snow pretty, and not snow not falling. It's gonna still not come to Hokkaido yet. It is the special thing in here, right? That's why. Yeah, now I'm waiting my friend to come out, and we go next friend place. I hope it will go faster. Person.
Suffering. She's suffering. She's cold.
Let's go. Hayo.
Sama ini. Yung kita rin mamitay. Off-road.
Ara. Every car have the snow hut. After one night, it's like
1 AM karo. Sisi karo.
But gambata.
Hitting the road.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, someone's riding a bike.
Someone riding a bicycle.
Not the big.
Wow.
The normal bike.
Wow. Right, that's what in snow time it's really hard.
You should really
Because-
buy the 3-wheel bike.
Yeah.
King space?
Nah, I don't know.
Oh no. Auntie Vincent.
Oh. Can't see anything. No, not have a open part.
Iko to Koromadeo ni guys, mas
Quick. Wow.
I think it's not on the thing. He got
Oh, stuck. Oh no. The car is stuck. Oh my gosh. The road is so... It's under the... It's ice. Ice.
Ah, sigaw, atura, oy.
Padok. Why you go so fast? Coffee house. Kawaii. So cute.
We're here. Oh shit. In the Sinjo being chilling. Boy, being chilling.
Everyone cold. Cold. So cold. Here. We here. Woo.
Better here.
It's so small.
May it's on here.
It's so...
One hit delete.
A lot of people. Look at the road. Oh, look at the car.
Ara di kay.
Oy.
Ara. Belpas.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Have the car stuck. This can
Thing will
go?
move.
Huh?
It's cool. Thing will move. I thought I'm gonna be just fast.
They have the wood,
Yeah,
right?
they do. They do have the one. All of them are boys, friend.
How can go?
We're so near.
Why we go here? No, we go back. We turn back.
Turn back because there's no way to go.
Oh my gosh. Oh!
Wow! Wow!
Wow!
So yun eh. Diya ako dati ko ka.
We
Go on it.
we arrived in the restaurant. Putadong. We already done. We near home and look at the road in the home.
It was not like this when we left. Oh, have another car
Look
part.
at this one.
Have another car part. That's
Yeah.
the 5th time this one. Car bumper.
I'm so sleepy and tired.
It's already 23, 27.
Oh, we cannot go inside. Oh my god, the road is so small now. Look at this one. I saw the snow. Oh my god. The snow stuck in front of our home. Look at like can't walking.
It was not like this. Really not like this.
The road is really heroin and now it's really semi.
Where can I park?
Where? And we waiting for him to make pay for parking.
Wow, VIP.
Wow, thank you.
ASMR. Oh,
We going home.
I
This one?
hope tomorrow is not have the snow. I can return the car without shoveling. And because I don't have shovel.
So cold. Oh, look at the car.
Nakatoys.
Stupid.
Shitty heart.
Shit.
Just kidding. I have too many things to go swim in the
I'll
snow.
do it.
You have the mic. You gonna swim? After you go. Isn't you're gonna get stuck. Give me your bag. Okay, get off.
It's so deep.
I know. There. Go.
I can't get up.
Here. Oh, you guys too. There you go. Come here. Stupid. 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 I wanna jump. I wanna try it. But I haven't.
It's cold.
Of course, it's snow. What you mean?
Go in my back. You can jump here.
Kurun. You are my thing. I'm gonna go jump. So I don't have to do it tomorrow.
What's here? You eat it. You eat it.
And look at Randy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Here's the cover.
What you do? What you do? So cement.
That's how you look up.
Back to lip.
I can move my lips.
Go home. Go home. Okay, we're done. We home. We here at home after long day. And this video is about the special experience for my husband and me also. It's so tiring, but it's interesting. I hope you guys like it. I need to end up my video because I'm so tired. Remember to subscribe and like and share. See you next time. Bye bye.